Okay, I'm running call-only ads for a client of home appliance repair services in Abu Dhabi, and I want to track phone calls from my ads, but Google forwarding number is not available in the UAE. That's why I'm unable to track phone calls from call-only ads. What should I do in this regard? You can't do much about it. I know Google is in the process of expanding the number of countries where calls can be tracked. So once that happens, then it isn't a problem for you. But right now you can't. So what I would do is have a look at the profit and loss account, how much you spent on ads and how many calls you got. And if you increase the spend, does it show an increase in revenue or not? And if that is the case, that means your ads are pretty much working. I know it's not very scientific way of tracking, but that would be the best way of tracking your ad spend on Google.